G'day folks, Aaron here from 4x4 East Coast, and today we're going to put some armour on the DR650. There it is there. Right, a couple of things you'll need. What I'm going to use is some wax and grease remover and some brake parts cleaner, brake cleaner. You'll need a couple of rags. You'll need some duct tape or some electrical tape or masking tape, any tape you've got. And obviously something to stick it on with. I'm going for this stuff. Because it's grey and, well, she's mostly grey. Another little optional thing you'll need, spray bottle with water and dishwashing liquid mixed up in there. And at the end, you'll see why. Rightio, this is the engine case armour for the DR650 from B&B Offroad. So this goes on either side of the engine. That's for the clutch cover, and that's for the other side. All right, let's open this up and see how we're going to put it on. Get a brake cleaner to finish off. Rightio. We might go over and clean the other side while we're going. This side's a bit dirty. A bit of brake clean. Righto, once you've got the engine side cases clean, give the inside of the new guards a clean, using pretty much the same method. Bit of wax and grease. And I like to use the brake cleaner after that, because the wax and grease leaves a little bit of a residue. You probably just get away with just using the brake cleaner, because these aren't real dirty anyway. Alrighty, so obviously this one goes on this side, right there like that. So what you want to do is you want to open up, pierce a little bloody little opening, put your little nozzle on. I like to cut it on a bit of an angle. Rightio, so you can see there the size hole I've got. So what you want to do is you want a thick layer, about a 3 to 4 mil bead, all the way around this, so that it makes a constant bead all the way around. So once you do get it on the bike, you don't end up with dirt and crap falling down inside it. So we'll start squeezing her out. Make sure you join them beads together. Actually, I'm going to put some in the guts of it as well. You want it to expand out, so you clean the excess off later. So righto, once you put it on, and you got it in about the right position, you want it to squeeze out like that, all the way around. I might just fill that gap in around there. Okie doke. So what you want to do, you get your soap and water and you make sure that's all sealed up. And you go like this. Hit it with soap and water. So then you can come around and clean that off. The old soap and water just makes it easy to clean the excess off. Just need a little bit of tape. So what you want to do, cut yourself a little bit of tape and try and just shove that on there. Just there. Rightio. Over to do the other side. Rightio, so this side's a little bit trickier. You've got the centerpiece, which obviously lines up with that hole, but you've got to try not to get any silicone in around here, which is kind of hard. But anyway, obviously it goes like so. So I should be able to get it in out of the way of the gear lever. But, rightio, we'll chuck some goop on there and see how we go. Try and get a bit out of the end. Same thing. Put a good bead around. Make sure it all joins up. Just go back over it where you think you need a bit more. Shove a bit around the guts. Rightio. Now that looks alright, I think. I'll chuck a bit more in there. Rightio. Let's whack him on. Ease him down in there. Try and centre it over that. Yeah, that looks good. So I'll just hit it with a bit of this stuff. It's just dishwashing liquid with a bit of water. Makes it so that the silicone doesn't want to stick to anything else. There we go, look at that. Bloody good job. Now I'll get a little screwdriver in there and clean a bit of that out of the magic of television. A clean rag, wipe off all that. Yeah, look at that. Bloody beautiful. Alrighty, beautiful. We'll put some tape on that and we'll come back tomorrow and have a look at her. Rightio, now that the tape's on, I'll put another piece at the front there, but now that the tape's on, we'll leave it on for 24 hours, one whole day, and we'll come back tomorrow and I'll show you the finished product. Alright folks, it is the bloody next day, and as you can see I've just taken the tape off and just gave a little bit of a look around, clean around, took some of the excess out from inside there, just sort of scraped out with the screwdriver. Bloody perfect. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I've already taken the tape off the other side. I'll show you that in a second. So the reason why we put these things on, I'll bring you up a bit. But yeah, the reason why we put these bloody things on is if you watched any of my riding videos, I drop the bloody thing a lot. I'm always afraid that a rock's going to go through the cover. The side covers are magnesium, I think, and they're not overly strong, so you can easily drop it. Either put a rock through the side cover, or the bloody gear lever might go through it. As you can see, it lines up there, and if you've still got the old pegs on, I'll bring you around the other side. If you've still got the old pegs on and they're raised up a bit, the brake pedal can usually bloody hit that as well, and I have seen that happen. So yeah, good investment. The silicone behind it gives a bit of cushion. It is able to withstand the heat. The silicone is like a gasket silicone that you use on a car. So yeah, that's the job. It's all done. Pretty bloody easy job. Anybody can do it. Now you can go online, B&B Offroad. I grabbed mine from my mate Brett out at Adventure Bike Specialists. They're out at Ryhope near Toronto. He'll post anywhere. If you can't get them from B&B, he can usually get a supply of them. He's usually got them there. So, rightio, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget, do all that business, hit the thumbs up button, go down and hit the subscribe button down there somewhere. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Oh, that hurt. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Oh, they're spiky. Oh, just bloody. Oh. Right on a nerve. Bloody hell.